So in this case, apparently there is no other swelling in any other area of the skin. Now this swelling, you have to talk about it in under inspection and palpation. So under inspection, you have to see first the site, then you have to see the size, then you have to see the shape, then you have to see the skin, then you have to see the surrounding tissues. So let us start from the size. Do we have a scale? Approximately is 2.5 centimeter transversely and around 2 centimeters vertically. It is oval in shape, and the skin over this is normal, but there is a punctum in the middle of that swelling. This is the punctum. So once there is a punctum, there is almost the diagnosis is confirmed. But we will keep on doing the examination as it is prescribed. So then you have to see the surrounding skin appears to be normal and there is no pulsation and there is no any activity in the swelling. Then the next step is to find out the confirmation of the findings. Scale क्यों नहीं है? Scale now. Scale लेके आओ. Then you have to see whether it is tender or not. First, the local temperature. Local temperature is not raised, and when I am pressing, the patient is not wincing. So that means it is not tender. Then you have to see the fixity to skin, and that is done by the pinching test. I am unable to lift the skin in the middle. However, in the other areas, the skin is being lifted. So it is partially fixed to the skin, and then there is mobility over the muscles. So the swelling is moving, and you can see now in the punctum, there is a discharge. Focus karo. You see, sebaceous material is coming out from the swelling, punctum, and it is fluctuation is positive, and there is now a whitish or dirty off-white discharge from that punctum. And we'll measure the size. It is around 4 centimeters transversely and around 3.5 centimeters vertically. So the size is quite big one, and that is why now he is complaining of pain, because it is impeding his neck movements. Otherwise, there is no other specific finding, and it is not inflamed. Many times the sebaceous cyst gets inflamed, and then it is tender and there is signs of inflammation, redness and other things. So it's a simple case of sebaceous cyst. Now that is obvious in this case because there is a punctum and there is a discharge from the punctum and it is cystic inconsistency. So if there is another swelling similar to this, so what are the differential diagnoses of a swelling in the neck? First of all, lymph nodes, because there are total 700 to 800 lymph nodes in the body, out of which 300 to 400 are in the neck. So any swelling in the neck, you must consider the possibility of lymphadenopathy. Now this lymphadenopathy may be because of tuberculosis, it may be because of various other conditions, secondaries and oral acute inflammation or chronic inflammation. So this swelling on inspection and palpation appears to be a case of sebaceous cyst. Now the differential diagnosis of this will be lymphadenopathy. It could be because of tuberculosis, it could be because of age, it could be some primary malignancy somewhere with secondaries. Then you have to think of dermoid cyst and cystic hygroma in children. So these are not so common, but they are possibilities. So the most important differential diagnosis of a swelling and a lipoma and a fibroma. So 5 or 6 things will come in the differential diagnosis. But once there is a punctum at the top of a swelling and it is fluctuant or soft inconsistency, 99% the diagnosis is sebaceous cyst. So what is the treatment? If it was inflamed, there was infection, then we would have treated it with antibiotics and anti-inflammatory for say 5 to 7 days, followed by excision biopsy. So now since there is no inflammation and he is having some discomfort and it is increasing in size, so this is an indication for surgery. So what is the surgery? Surgery is just excision and closure of the skin. So that is hardly OPD procedure. It can be done in the outpatient itself. So if he is ready, we can do it today, or we call him next week for doing it. Is that clear? Thank you. तो इनका ऐसा करो कि आज